Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. It's going to be for Tuesday, October 28th, 2014. Got a session here that's got one particular theme that you're going to see across all the different sectors, and that's that we're down on volume. Volume is relatively light today in almost everything. A couple things picking up a little bit of volume. Amazon trading decent volume, but no particular signal there. Alibaba has upside CPS on some decent volume. First Solar is having a weak day here with an open close deviation, but that was a little bit down on volume. Got some decent volume to the downside in Tesla. That's putting a downside CPS, and that's about 5% below the day's open. Moving on to the financials. Look at the volumes here, really light. So all these signals have to be taken with a grain of salt. MetLife's got a downside RPS, but it's very light on volume. The energy patch a little bit mixed up here with some signals on both sides. Got a volume bump in PBR because of the elections in Brazil. Schlumberger's got a downside CPS on good volume. That one's 2% below the day's open. Also a lot of movement in LNG, but that one's on fairly light volume. That one's almost 2.5% below the day's open. Market generals kind of paired off here. Not a lot of signals. Look at the light volume here. It's really light. The one that's even close to train typical volume is Dow Chemical, and that one's up, putting in a bearish day, 2% below the day's open. Housing, no signals here. Very light volume. Transports, FedEx has an upside CPS, but it's on just so volume. UPS looks a little bit better volume-wise. Got a little more range on the day, and also is showing better volume with that upside CPS signal. And finally, the commodities, very light volume. Monsanto showing a contra candle to the upside, but that's still on less than typical volume. So very light volume. It's not going to take too much for the market to get moved around tomorrow. So we do get a move here. We got to respect that. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.